into words. Here's what I've been thinking. Here's what I would do. When two people are sinking, you should get them out the pool. Here's what I've been thinking. I don't know what else to do, so I'm forever calling her truth. She's a roller coaster ride going up, down. I'm forced to feel feelings that I can't fight. Not 20 anymore, gotta realize that I'm too old for a puppy love. Heart is getting weaker by the years now. Can't take it anymore, need a time out.
Hi there friends, welcome to our channel Organized by Darci. Today's video is part 4 in the 4-part series of cleaning and organizing for 2023. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Darci and I do weekly organizational videos here on this channel. Today's video is in collab with several other YouTubers hosted by Penny from Penny's Lifestyle. More about that later on. We're actually in our master bathroom and I'm going to be cleaning and organizing under both sinks here, and I plan to do this in less than 45 minutes. So if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's get started. Quick reminder, if you have not already done so, press that subscribe button below for weekly organizational videos. Also, hop over to Penny's Lifestyle channel, see the playlist that she has, watch the various videos, subscribe to the channels that you like, and of course, I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel as well. That is if you have not already done so. And if you have, I just want to say a special thank you. I'm always so appreciative of your support. Again, let's get started in cleaning and organizing under these sinks. My first order of business is to take everything out from under the sink and give the area a good wipe down. Then I'll put the items on the floor in categories. Here I'm changing the liners before I repack the items in. I've repacked some of the items in, but I still need to do a little bit more organizing. But I'm taking a break to go and play golf.
Oh, that was beautiful. You'll like that one.
I'm back home now and all the items are repacked nice and neat under the sink, and now I'll give you the grand reveal. Penny's Lifestyle Living is our host, and our co-hosts are as follows: The Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Amethyst Adventures, organized by Darci, The Work From Home Wife of Atlanta, Deborah Cabasas Home Living, Buckeye Girls Decorate and Lifestyle, At Home with Lisa, J Mom Creations, and Merely Melissa. These are our hosts and co-hosts, and I'll have all their information listed in the description box below.
What am I supposed to do? If you are not the one for me, then tell me now what I could.
Thank you so much for watching. I really look forward to seeing you next week in our next video. Goodbye, and of course, good luck.
If I told you that I don't know where I'm going, don't know what to say, but I go without knowing. what am I supposed to do?